Hello everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. In this video we will see how to remove Bentley logo from STAAD output report. To do that, just close the STAAD.pro, open the Start window. In Start window, go to Configuration. In Configuration, go to Options and checkmark Remove Bentley logo from report. Press OK. Go back to the model that you have opened earlier. Let's just go to open another model, go to desktop, new folder and the model that we had opened earlier. Let us see the post processing and let us go to reports. Press OK, and as you can see, the logo has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. To like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.